Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Meet the Hoover Anti-Twist Home HF210H Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the lightest cordless stick vacuum in the Hoover range. This is lightest, stylish in bold, black and magenta. It combines powerful cleaning performance with everyday convenience, so you can keep your home spotless without the strain. This compact powerhouse is designed to handle life's unexpected messes with ease. With 50 watt of suction power and up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can glide through your whole home on a single charge. When you really need extra performance, switch to boost mode. It ramps up the suction to tackle even the toughest dirt. Its anti-twist combination floor head actively prevents hair wrapping, untangling strands as you clean, so you will never have to pull tangled hair from the brush bar again. With ultra compact X3 technology, you can expect the bin capacity from 0.3 liter to a full 1 liter, meaning fewer trips to the bin. The wide 28 centimeter cleaning width and the bright LED lights reveal hidden dust on carpets, hard floors, wood, laminate, and tiles. And when it is time to clean shelves, furniture, or even your car, the HF210H quickly converts into a handheld vacuum. The integrated crevice tool with a soft rubber tip means you are always ready for those tricky corners. At just 2.35 kgs, it glides effortlessly under furniture and around table legs. It recharges in just 3.5 hours on the included wall-mounted dock, so it's always ready when you are. And with an E10 filter and a 3-year manufacturer's guarantee, you know it is built to last. This vacuum cleaner is lightweight, powerful, and engineered for a tangle-free clean. The Hoover Anti-Twist Home HF210H Cordless Vacuum Cleaner makes everyday cleaning faster, easier, and more enjoyable. For pet hair to crumbs to dust you don't even see, this is a Hoover's trusted performance right at your fingertip. This vacuum cleaner deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.